Hello everyone, how are you? So today I am going to share a weird way of generating ideas. Like this, you can see this is a upcoming movie in our country, and I found this poster. It is really looking awesome to me. But the more I liked about this design is this text here. I really love this text effect here, the design they made here, and I just want to make something like this. And as you can see, this is not in English language, so I can make anything in English and there will be no copyright. So I am thinking of making a nurse t-shirt design, but in something similar kind of effect. And this is how to generate ideas. I like this design and now I want to make something similar to this. So for this one here, I just needed some elements. Like this one I downloaded from freepik. You can see this is a free vector resource. You can take them, but you cannot directly use them, or you cannot use this as a primary design, then there will be copyright problems. Okay, so I am going to use them, but I change their color and now I am going to rearrange them. Like I cannot just use them as they are. I will show you that later, but first I have an idea in mind, that is I am going to make a US flag, and that will be like a real US flag, stripes like this, and then these will work as my stars. And here I choose some text. They are just related to nursing, as I am going to make a nursing t-shirt. So for this one here, I am just going to make them all in same font, and I have to understand that I can only use a font that is kind of like my Explorer font or something like that, that they have no capital or small letter problems. So I'm going to use something like this. Maybe this one, Norse letter, it is a good font. If I select them all and then make it capital, make them all capital, so they are now all in capital. So I choose here for longer text, that will be my long stripes, and some shorter text, these will be my shorter stripes. Okay, so for this one here I am going to just arrange them. First of all I am going to break them all, and now I just need to arrange them. So let me arrange and get back. As you can see, I have arranged them. This is something I wanted, so I am going to rotate them like this, and this one like this, and I am going to make them group, as this will be a group and this one will be another group. Okay, there is a mistake. Yeah, that's all. Now I am going to make them a group too. So for this one here I am going to select them and placing them kind of this. Okay, this will be my text here. Okay, here I rotate this group, as I want to read it something like this from this part here. So this is my flag part, or maybe I can make it a bit bigger here. Okay, so this will be my flag part. Now I am going to add my stars here. So for that one, first of all I need to ungroup them, and then I am going to remove some elements. Like this ambulance is not necessary here, this one too, maybe this one. Yeah, so dental is not okay. Okay, this is my elements. Right now I am going to rearrange them. Okay, so here I arrange the elements here, As you can see, I have just copied them, and here I made some changes like rotated them. I rotate this one and make some smaller sizes. Just I am not using them as they were in the original design, so I am making them a group, about to place them something like this. Now this is just my idea of making this as a US flag. It doesn't have to be perfect. I am just making a outline shape. Maybe I can fix some areas here just to fill the area. Yeah, that is good, I think. Okay, that is good. Now I can just simply, this total design is being a bit narrow, but I need to make it something like something more wider, so maybe I will need some more lines here. Okay, as you can see, I have added two more lines here, so this is now okay for me. Now I need to make this kind of a design here, so I'm not going to make an exact same design. I'm going to making something a bit different. Okay, so here is my nurse text, and for this one obviously I am going to use another text here, proud to be a nurse. That will be my two text here. Now for this one here I am going to use envelope dissolved, make it top. You can see here we got a cool looking nurse text. For this one here I am going to make it a bit smaller so that I can use some stars here. Maybe a bit smaller that one, and a bit more smaller. Okay, so these are my three stars. I am going to arrange them maybe a bit closer. Yeah, something like this. Now making a group, and okay, not rotate, just reflect, selecting them and arranging them with my nurse text here. As you can see, this is now my text right now, and I don't, okay, I haven't make a very identical design. Just I wanted to make this text effect here, this bigger text effect here, so I made that one here, and the rest of the design was my idea to make something like a US flag. Now for this one we can simply add some colors here. as we as we know, US flag have some, okay, I need to ungroup them now, and for this one here of course I have to ungroup. Now we are going to set, okay, we are going to select them like one after another, and I am going to make it red, and obviously the others will be white, as they are in US flag colors. And there is one more color, and that is this blue here. Okay, we can simply add some color to my this nurse text, but before that I have to expand that. Now you can see we can simply add some colors here, and now these stars I am going to make them that blue color. So this is my final design right now, but I don't know, I am not very happy with that blue color, as that will not, when I am using white in my design, that means I have to keep in mind that my design will look good only on black or in some deeper colors, but this blue is not looking good on black, so I am going to make that white, and then I can keep this blue here, as there is three color in the flag, so I am going to keep every color in my design just in smaller sizes. Or maybe I can do this one, like this one here is the blood drop should be red, this one can be other things, this can be in blue colors, and the rest is in white, and that's how I have every color in my design. And this is maybe not looking very good or very professional, but I know when I am targeting some nurses and they will like this design, as they that will describing their profession, their patriotism with their love of their country, and some working elements like this, these are related to their professions, so they will like this one. And don't worry about that, we don't, every time we don't need to fill an entire area, just a single line can be a good design, so this one will work for that. Now just for okay, so now I am going to group them and just arranging them to my artboard. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this is how you can generate ideas, like from anything, can be a t-shirt design or anything, any design you like or you want, you can just convert that into another kind of designs. I could have added some more elements like those design I have there, some stripes, but I wanted to keep it simple and obviously looking like a United States flag. I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Thank you.